Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How to solve these nice functional equations? We have f of x plus 4 equals x squared plus 9x plus 8. So I want to find f of x here. So from these given questions, at this right hand side we have a quadratic which is the power of 2. So I want to reduce these values to x because for every x plus 4 they are greater than x. So how can we achieve this? It's very simple. So let's consider the solution from here. If you consider from this left hand side, but before then, let's write f of x plus 4. So f of x plus 4, so this equals x squared plus 9x plus 8. We are going to factorize this because I'm going to be using two different methods to solve this. So if you want to factorize this, we look for the two factors as the sum will be 9 and the product will be 8. Here we have x squared, then 9 here, we can just write 9 as 8 plus 1. So 8 plus 1, it gives us 9, and 8 multiplied by 1, it gives us 8. Then we put x at the bracket plus 8. So let's try and expand this. So by expanding this, we have x squared plus, so here 8 times x, that gives us 8x plus 1 times x, that is x plus 8. Then we have x squared plus, so by combining it with this 8x, so we put everything in bracket plus also this one we have x plus 8. So here we have x squared plus 8x. What is common to them is x. We have to factor out x here. So by taking out x, we have here x plus 8 plus also at this bracket we have 1, open bracket, x plus 8. So after having this, here we have x plus 8 and this is also x plus 8. So this is having coefficient of x and this is having coefficient of 1. So we have to combine their coefficient and take one of these x plus 8. Here we have x plus 1. Then we place it beside x plus 8. And we shouldn't forget that this is a complete factorization of the quadratic above. And everything equals to this function, which is x plus 4. So we have to note here that for the first method here, which is form manipulations, we have to manipulate every vector here. So the domain here is given as x plus 4, and what we have here is x plus 1, here is x plus 8. So we have to make sure that they are equal. And to achieve that, so if this is x plus 4, so known as our domain, we have to change it to, for every disk we have here, we have to change it, and here becomes f of x plus 4 equals, so x plus 1, we can also write it as x plus 4 minus 3, because 4 minus 3, it gives us 1. Then we have to bracket this. After bracketing this, then we put everything in a larger bracket. And also x plus 8, we have to extract x plus 4 from it. So by taking out x plus 4, then we have this as plus 4 outside. Then by changing x plus 4 to x, since we need x, so we have to change x plus 4 to x. So therefore we have f of x equals, so since this is x plus 4, this is x plus 4, and this is also x plus 4, we are changing it now to only x. So a reduced to x minus 3, and also this reduced to x plus 4. And by factoring, by expanding this, so we have x times x, that is x squared, plus x times 4, that is 4x, minus 3 times x, we have it as minus 3x, and minus 3 times 4, that is minus 12. So here we have x squared plus 4x minus 3x, that gives us x, then minus 12. So this is the result of f of x. So we apply the first method and we get x squared plus x minus 12. So let's see how we can solve this using another method, or let's say another approach. So let's apply method 2 to solve this. So let's try and apply substitution method. But before that, if you are just coming to this channel, please do to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more videos. And let's see the method that is very effective between the first one and the second one. Here we have x plus 4. Suppose I change this one to another letter. Okay, so if I use letter T, which means that if I try to make x the subject of the formula here, we are going to have x equals t minus 4. So we can just try and change this one to equal to. Then from these given questions, we need x squared and we need 9x. Here we have x equals t minus 4. Let's say we multiply this one by 9. We are going to have 9x equals 9t minus 36. And also we need x squared. So by taking the square of x equals t minus 4, we are going to have t minus 4 raised to the power of 2. And if we try to expand this, we are going to have t squared minus 4x, that gives us minus 8t plus 16. And when we try and plug it in the given questions, we have f of, so instead of x plus 4, we change it to f of t equals, so our x squared now is this, which is t squared minus 8t plus 16, then plus our 9x is now 9t minus 36, then plus 8. Here we have f of t equals, we have t squared, so minus 8t plus 9t, that gives us plus t. And also we have 16 minus 36 plus 8, that gives us minus 12. Yeah, this is making sense. So let's change t to x. We have f of x equals x squared plus x minus 12. So we get the same answer using the first method and this method. So that's how to solve this. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next class. Never stop learning. Bye bye.